Good afternoon and welcome to today's class. So in today's class, we are going to be doing something kind of different. So what we are going to be doing today is we are going to be building a game, like a mobile game. And before we do that, first we need to come to Lovable or Replit. But for this particular one, we are going to be using Replit today. So first things first, we are going to we'll go to ChatGPT and we are going to tell ChatGPT what we want. So we are going to tell ChatGPT, we're going to say write me a prompt for Replit to build me a mobile game app for a game called for a bounce game. The old classic one. It must be fully functional and well beautifully done. The game must serve its purpose as a game. So write me the full, well-detailed prompt. Don't add any programming language. Let Replit decide. So you're going to send it. So once you send it, it's going to write you the prompt. And that prompt, okay, as you can see, it's already writing it. So I see it says build a complete polished, fully functional mobile game inspired by the classic old school bouncing red ball platform game found on early mobile phones. This game was feel nostalgic and familiar, but it must use an original game name, original graphics, original level design, original sound, and original branding. Do not copyrighted names, maps, music, artworks, or assets from any existing game. Do not create a basic prototype or simple demonstration. Build a complete mobile game that is genuinely enjoyable. So all these things, game concept, move right, left, bounce, jump, and all those things are the features of the game. So it's still writing the features. So once it's done writing the full feature, we are going to copy the prompt. The prompt is now complete, and now we can copy the prompt. You can see this is a very broad and well detailed prompt. So we can copy it now and go to Replit. You paste it. But before you paste, you need to first choose mobile. Here, as you can see, mobile. So you can see build a mobile app that. So paste. So if you want to see when you pasted it as a document because it's too long. So you can just click on it to see the um, full prompt. You can see everything is complete. Then we're going to send it. So once you send it, it will start working, and let's see how it goes. So it's already starting up now. You can see at the top here it says game mastermind. So it's working on building the game. So we have to wait for it and uh, see how it goes. So there's something about building a game on Replit. You can actually, once the game is done, you can actually use it on your phone. You can use it on your phone. You can use the game or the app on your phone. So what it's doing now, it says you can see it says I am building Bounce Blast, a complete polished mobile bouncing ball platformer with 20 plus levels across 5 worlds, physics, enemies, bosses, power-ups, achievements, cosmetic, and full save progression system. So it says let me get started right away. And here you can see we have use rollbacks to undo changes and blah blah blah, copy invert link, all these things. So it's actually building. So but what I want to explain here is that you can use the app on your phone while previewing. So like here now, it says preview on your phone, test on a mobile device to experience gestures and gestures and native features. Download Expo Go, a free app that lets you run your project instantly. This Expo Go, I usually use it when I'm building using React Native. There is a language we call React Native. It's a mobile application language for building cross-platform application. You can either use React Native or Flutter. So, but this Expo is used for React Native to manage your app and build. So now they have Expo Go. That Expo Go is the app you download on your phone and then scan this QR code for you to be able to test the app on your phone. So that is basically what this one is saying here. So we need to wait for the game to be done building and then we can test it. So while working, we've reached the limit for the month on Replit. So we are going to try using um, Lovable. Although Lovable can't actually build mobile application, but let's try it out and see. So what we need to do is we're going to paste the prompt, paste it to Lovable and send. Then let's open another tab and try base 44. So base 44 and I haven't logged in yet. Been logged in here yet, so I'm going to log in. So we're going to build. On base 44, you can actually select models based on what you need, but we are on the free plan, so we can't do that. But then we need to paste our prompt here, then send. So let's see what is going to happen. Let's come to Lovable. So Lovable said, I will build a polished, playable, bouncing ball platformer. Given the scope, I will focus on excellent core gameplay, light physics, tight physics, responsive touch controls, and design level across multiple worlds, saving audio menus and screens, all functional, no pressure that let me build it. So um basically what it's going to do is it's going to build a web application, like a game that you can use on the web on the mobile. So you can use on your browser rather. So that's what it's going to be doing. Then let's check. Base 44 said, I'll build Bounce Quest, a complete polished bouncing platformer game. So here's the plan. So it's written the plan, and now it's actually working. So it says this is a massive game. I'll build as a complete, fully functional experience with all systems working together. Let me start with core architecture. Given the enormous scope, I'll build it systemically, game engine first, and all system layered on top. Let me create the complete game. So this one too is actually building a web application that can run on the browser. So that is what both of them are doing. So just have to sit back and relax, and let's see what their output gives. So Lorable is done building, but it's kind of making a sound in my ear now. So I need to reduce the music volume then, or turn it off entirely. So but you might be hearing it or not. So this is the settings. So basically we have this whole options. We have play, worlds and levels. So you can see green use. I need to copy this one before I can move to the next one. Customize ball. So is it classic red or which one you want? So but this one is actually a paid game, which means you can actually um it requires you to have level of coins before you can get this, or you pay for it. So we have achievements, first bounce, all these things. So these are achievement you can get. Then how to play. This is the instructions. Then settings. I can change this SFS as well. Control size, control opacity. So app 6, I want to vibrate, reduce motion, left-handed layout, high contrast hazard. So then we have credits. So credits is where you can, like, what you need to okay, sorry, this part is actually telling you that this game is more like an original something. So it's not affiliated with the main bouncing game that we used to play on the game on our phones then. So this is more like inspired game. So that's just basically what that credit mean. If you want to build something for the public, then you need to add that credit part. So you can just click on play, and you can see this is a very beautiful game interface. You can use our keys or on the phone. So because I'm using the button, the what is it called? It's not quite easy to play. But if you're playing it on mobile, it is much more better. Okay. So okay, I think there is something I need to fix. The bouncing is actually not bouncing that up. So I need to fix that. Let's say okay. Let me check. Let me check the how to play. Okay, so it says tap and hold the on-screen arrows to roll left and right. Oh, tap the jump button or space up to bounce higher. Okay, so let's try it again. Let's say still unable to. to use this. So let's see. Oh, so there is this what is it called that can actually let us go up. Oh, now I understand. So because I didn't complete that part, so basically this how it works on the mobile. So let's see if we can save it on our on device. Okay, this is desktop view, mobile view. So on the mobile, it's supposed to be much more better, or better still, you can make it an on-screen control. So let's come here and say the game controls isn't really okay enough. The okay, let's say clicking the jump button twice at the same, or let's say double tapping the jump button should jump higher. So let's send this to Lovable and see what it's going to do. Then let's come here and see if this one is done. This one is not done yet, so let's come back to Lovable. So currently the game is paused, and you can see it says resume, restart from checkpoint, restart level, select level, and main menu. So this is how it's going to look on mobile, and this is how it's going to look on desktop. So it's fixing already. Let's wait for it to complete that, then we'll come back. So it's actually fixed the controls now. So let's check how to play again. Okay, you can see now it says double tap for a higher jump. So let's try it again. So when I double tap now, so this is exactly the kind of control I want. So as you can see, these regular jumps. So you can see that is actually jumping normal now. So because I'm using desktop, so the keyboard is actually not controlling it anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish it, then try it on the site on your mobile phone. Publish. So it's currently publishing. Let's check this 44. Still building. Okay. So this one is still publishing. So let's wait for it to publish, then we can share the link. Okay, so The game has been published already now. And this is the link. So let's click on the link, then we can share. So it appears that base 44 is probably stuck. So as you can see here, you can either stop it and tell it to continue. So, but for today, let's stick to Lovable. So then in our next class, we can continue where we stopped for base 44 and see what exactly is the outcome. But basically, you can just once you are done with the game, publish it and test it on your phone to see how it works and how it looks better. Then you can send me the link for me to test as well. So thank you for watching.